Hi.
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 Bye.
Bye.
Move.
Okay, bye.
Shut up. This video is for
Jordan England!
Alexis.
I never.
You're nasty.
Ugh.
Okay, so I'm only doing it because she asked me if I wanted to. Why are you doing it?
Because I just felt like making a video for someone and I was bored. Oh, this one? I'm pretty sure it's small enough to where the camera can't see it. Hopefully.
You're gross.
I'm just saying, there was literally a bugger on your nose. What if it was a bug?
Oh my god!
I'm
Leave me alone. We're starting over.
No, we're not. Because we started this like 11
Like 11 times.
1,000 times.
Because she can't get it right.
No, you can't get it right.
You
And then
can't
you're
get it right.
No, can't say that. No, can't say it's not my fault that you can't say things on Facebook. Is that right? Yup, that's right. Yup.
Dude, I'm tired of getting in trouble. I'm a troublemaker.
I haven't had trouble in so long.
I didn't even look sad in school.
You're stupid. Now you don't have that ISR.
So?
And if you don't know, I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to do that. Oops. Your phone would go like,
You can't even turn it on. That dude.
Anywho, that's it. Yeah, we love you, and goodbye.